Now, coming to features of the examination, I'm replying to all the questions. I've got some questions, and whatever will be the live, I will be there. Without changing the structure of the question paper. Now, here's just minor thing we need to note. Minor rationalization of marks for rounding is there. I will share you the structure of question paper. It may be possible one question is of 7 mark, we are making it 8, or just for rounding purpose, or maybe the question of 9 mark, we are making it 8. Just a minor rounding is there, but we are not changing the structure of question paper. Yes, we are changing the structure of answers, not the questions. Question will be as it is the existing question paper. We are changing the answers, medium of answer or the structure of answers. Stepwise marking will be maintained. How the present structure has been maintained in case of a practical exam,
There's a
theory
lot
exam.
of background noise that's going on, and that's why we're not.
I'm showing you the sample paper. I'm fine. This is the question paper. It must be visible to you. This is appears to be yeah. This is a costing paper. Now this is the present question paper I'm showing you. The last attempt, that is December 19. Intermediate Group 2, December 19. You please go to the old paper and see the structures. Even the whether the question is a practical question, practical subject or a theory subject, every subject has more than 25 marks objective type questions only in different formats. Whether it is a costing, whether it is a law, minimum 25 is already a very practical paper. Now I'm touching upon this costing paper just for an example. If we see part A, section A contains question 1, all parts are mandatory. Answer the following questions, and there are 10 multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. 1 into 10. It means 10 multiple choice questions are already there. We are bringing the same 10 questions in the online mode. You there also, as it is question will appear in online, you please mark the correct answer in the online. So 10 marks are as it is carried forward. It will just take few minutes. I'll advise you paper. Question number B, 5 marks. 25 marks is like that. Question B tells match the following. On the left side, there are 5 elements. On the right side, there are 8 elements. Here also, we have converted it to the objective type only. Against the notional cost, you will get the options. Against the labor turnover, you will get the options. Against the cash ten, you will get the options. If this similar question is kept in the ABCD format, again 5 marks. It will reach 15 marks. Now, this is the next 5 marks. State whether the following are true or false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions are there. 5 parts. 5 marks. As it is questions are retained, you please tick true or select true, or you select the false in the paper in the online. No change. See the next 5. Fill in the blanks. 1 into 5. As it is question is there in the online. Dash is provided. You please write what you please select the appropriate answer in the 5. It is 25 mark question in the costing is as it is the same as in the mock, will be in the examination and the or in the mock test. Now I'm shifting to the last question. The last means the next question, and it will be the last one for discussion. Section B. Answer any 5 out of 2 to 8. Question number 2 to 8. The question 1 was for 25 mark, and it is maybe it is a law or a theory. Any theory, it is like that only. Answer any 5 out of question number 2 to question number 8. Each question carries 15 marks. 15 into 5. Now the first question is of 15 marks. 15 marks, लेकिन further A has 9 marks, 2A has 9 marks, and further B has 6 marks. It is 50 mark question, divided in 9 into 6, 9 and 6. It's not mandatory. It may be different in the different examination. It can be 8, 7, something like that. Now I am advising you only on this question. You will understand the change we have made, how we have reached the online. Xeon Limited uses 3 types of material. Question is there, data is there. It says what is the what would be the following quantities: minimum stock of A, maximum stock of B, reorder level of C, average stock of A. It means presently you are solving this question in a rough, giving the presentation and the calculation in the fair, first rough, then the fair, and you are giving the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, and you are being marked 9 marks. Now, how these 9 marks are allotted while checking the physical exam? Some marks are allotted to minimum stock, some are to maximum stock, some to reorder, some to the average stock level. Maybe the one part is 2 marks and one part is 3 marks. Total 9 is there. Definitely 3 parts will be having 2, 2, 2, and one will be having 3 marks. Only then the 9 marks are there. Here we have rationalized. Number 1, how the answer will be there. Here the question will remain same in the online mode. Question will remain same. Now, what I will be asking, what we will be asking here in the institute, after writing the question, we'll ask, what is the minimum stock of A? Option A, B, C, D. Choose any one. Then, what will be the maximum stock of B? Option A, B, C, D. Choose. Reorder level of C. Choose the option A, B, C, D. Average stock of A. Choose the option A, B, C, D. It means there will be 4 sub questions with the option A, B, C, D. Meaning thereby in the online examination, you will be solving the question in rough and giving the final answer to us. And moreover, it is a stepwise only. Well, earlier also, from 9 marks, we are giving a stepwise marking to all the 4 parts. Now we are informing you the stepwise marking. We have changed this question from a 9 marks to 8 marks for a rationalism. In the previous slide, I wrote that questions are rationalized only for minor 1 mark or 1 mark plus and minus for rounding off. Here, rounding of 9 was not good for 4 questions. We have done it 2 marks into 4, it will be 8. Just minor rounding will be there in the otherwise the question paper will remain same. Now I'll show you the mock test. What online mock test? Now this is the online mock test. In the online mock test, the same question 2A, I'll show it here. It was question 2A. The same question 2A. It is a 9 mark question was there. Now it is going to be a 8 mark. After the question is written, on the basis of above information, you are required to answer the following question. The minimum stock of A is ABCD. The maximum stock of B is ABCD. It means the options are given to you. You solve the question in rough, give the answer. It means please inform the final answer of a step. Then give the answer of the next step. Then give the answer of the next step. Here also, even if you go for the physical examination, whatever you write the calculation, we are not bothered. You are getting marks only on the final answer of the calculations. Stepwise of 9 marks is there. We have informed you this marks here. Steps we have informed 2 marks each is a step. Each step is of 2 marks. We have converted 9 to the 8 mark. In the similar fashion, the question will be there. If I take the last question of the question paper, the existing question paper. If it is a theory question paper, you will be getting a box to write answer. Now this was about the style of a question paper which we are changing. Coming back